Hello everyone, Namaskar. So today we are going to solve a interesting equation. So this equation we have with us, it's a logarithmic equation. So we'll use some log also and some power of solving equations also. So let's see how we can go ahead with this. Might look a bit difficult on first sight, but at the end of the day it is going to be easy once you will solve this question with using the proper concepts of logarithm. Okay, so how can I start with this? As you can see, everywhere there are four terms basically. So in three terms you are seeing that log base 10 is there, but in the first term, which is x, you can't see a log there. But you know that one basic property of logarithm, that log a to the base a is 1. So x which is present there, that x we can always write as x into 1, and this 1 with the properties of logarithm. And if I am interested in log base 10, so I can write this 1 as log 10 to the base 10, isn't it? Okay, so this is the first catch of the question. So let's proceed with this. So I can write this as x log 10 base 10 plus log base 10 1 plus 2 power x equals to x log 5 to the base 10 plus log 6 to the base 10. What will be our next step? Again, if you look at this term and this term, I will be okay with this, but the first term, which is this, have a x in multiplication, and also this. So why not again use a property of logarithm which says if we have log x power n to the base a, then n can jump and come in front, so n log x to the base a. And it works in opposite way also. If we have n log x to the base a, so n can jump to the power also, so you will get log x power n to the base. Let's use that. Let's jump this x to the power. Let's jump this x to the power. So we will get log 10 power x, base is 10, plus log 10 1 plus 2 power x equals to x log this x I want to send to the power, and plus fine. Again I will have to use a property. What is that property? That's a simple property. So if base is same, so log x having base a, log y having base a, so I can write them as log of xy to the base. Fine enough? Yes. So let's use this property on both the sides of the equal sign. So I can write this as log 10 power x multiplied by 1 plus 2 power x to the base 10. Let's use a bracket if we are having any sort of confusion, equal to log, again the base is 10, and inside it this 2 will be multiplied. Fine enough. Now because both sides we have log base 10, this is not a property, but yes, we use it more often than not. If you are log x base a and log y base a, so you can directly say that x equals to y. So why not use that here? So we can get, with the help of this step, we can get 10 power x 1 plus 2 power x equals to 6 into 5 power x. Now what I can do? I can write 2 power x, another property, but this time of exponents, because exponents and logarithm are inverse of each other. So I have let's say not 2, let's use the general formula a power m n. So I can write this as a power m, sorry, what property I am going to say you? Okay, this property. If you have ab power m, so you can write this as a power m into b power m. So 10 I can write as 5 power m, 5 power x into 2 power x. Now what I can do? Can I cancel this 5 power x from both sides? Why can I cancel? Because I will say 5 power x is never going to be equal to 0, because anything, if you take power 0, that is going to yield you 1. Neither it will become negative anytime, but negative also, if it would have been negative, that would have not been a problem. Only problem is we can't cancel this when both sides we have 0. So this is non-zero always, not always, this is non-zero, that is what, and positive also. If you want to see that, so let's come to that. We have 5 to the power of x, so looks something like this. So as you can see, y value is positive only, and it is not becoming 0 anyway. So as you can zoom it, not becoming 0. So this is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so I cancel this. Now what the simplified expression is, 2 power x 1 plus 2 power x equals to 6. Now for some time let's assume 2 power x as t. So if you do so, you'll get t times 1 plus t equals to 6. T plus t square minus 6 equals to 0. Or I can write this as t square plus t square plus 3t minus 2t, because 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, and their sum is giving me. So t if I take common, minus 2 if I take common, t plus 3 so I am getting t as minus 3 and t as 2. As I told you that graph y can never be negative. Y means the output. So for 2 power x also the story remains the same, because this is base is positive, so we can never get the result to be negative. So 2 power x can never be equal to minus 3. So this t equals to minus 3 and t equals to 2 says that 2 power x you take as 3, 2 power x you take as minus 2, sorry, minus 3 and 2. So this I told, this can never be possible. Okay, because you see 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, that is going to be larger. And when it comes to negative power, 2 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. So when you keep on increasing the negative powers, the value keeps on decreasing. So it will never be equal to, it will not decrease that much that it becomes equal to negative, never. So this case is neglected. Coming to this case, so 2 power x is, we can write this as 2 power 1. So if we compare, we can say that x is equal to, so x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to, they were asking, then it came out to be 1. I don't think you faced any sort of difficulty. Step by step I have solved. First step was, everywhere you were seeing log 10, so why not multiply x with log 10 base 10, because that is 1 only. Then move to the power, then use the property log a plus log b, log ab, remove log from both sides, then cancel out this 5 power x, take 2 power x as t, form a quadratic, solve a quadratic. If the base is positive, it can never be 1, never be negative. So we neglect that situation. That's it. It can never be 0, it can never be negative. So I hope you understood this. For more such question, you can visit playlists on my channel, and do challenge your friend with this problem as well by sending him this problem, and let's see if he's able to crack this or not. If not, do teach him as how we get to the solution in this type of problem. Again, thanks and have a nice day.